Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. Just wanted to make a quick video on Cardano. It's been a couple of days at least. I mean, I know quite a lot of you like these Cardano updates, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, the last couple of days, obviously, have been quite volatile. I mean, if you take a look at Bitcoin, you wouldn't necessarily say it's true, right? I mean, Bitcoin, sure, it had a bit of a bearish start of the week, then a big pump, then a drop. So it has been volatile. But in terms of the altcoins, they were more volatile. All right, because the Bitcoin dominant right now is pretty high again. I mean, just in general, if you compare it to the start of October, it's very high. So that means that if Bitcoin only moves by the slightest, altcoins like Cardano move a lot. So Cardano obviously has been very bullish since last week. Or until last week. I mean, last week we hit this level here at 39 cents. Still spiked up to 40 cents, but just in general, you can also see that on the daily time frame, we hit a significant resistance level. You have this minor level around 38.5 cents, and then this major resistance level between 40 and 42 cents. That's what we hit, and yeah, I mean, right now it's actually. I think the market structure for Cardano is pretty neutral, right? I mean, it's consolidating now, or it's starting some sort of a consolidation between, let's say, 34.5 cents and then 38.5 cents. I think that is kind of the range to which we should look. But the big question then is will Cardano rally higher, all right? Because what usually is the case, not always, all right, we'll talk about that, don't worry. But what usually is the case is that when a crypto is very bullish, like Cardano was from the 19th of October up until, well, let's say the 13th of November. Usually then if it consolidates after a rally, usually it continues later. And that is, I mean, that is like short term, what I expect from Cardano is a consolidation. All right, I expect it to get back up towards 38.5 cents. I don't necessarily expect it to break out above that. To break out above that level and head up towards 40 and 42 cents again, we would need a stronger Bitcoin, which is possible. All right, it is certainly possible that Bitcoin becomes bullish again, gets up towards 37,500 and gets up towards 39,000 and 40,000. In which case Cardano will follow. But I don't think that's most likely. I think it's more likely that Cardano will now, and that's also, I mean, you can also see that right here. If we take a look at some statistics around Cardano, the open interest has been pretty stable, right? Since the start of November, has been pretty stable, has been pretty high. And then you see right here that the open interest went up a lot when it spiked up towards 40 cents. And now it's actually lower, or at least it's towards the lows we made on Tuesday. So that's pretty low. So that means that there's not that much momentum. And in combination with having not that much momentum, the EMAs are not that respected anymore and are falling flat, which are both indications of a consolidation. So that is what I expect: a consolidation between 38.5 cents and 34.5 cents. And then the main question is as to whether Cardano will rally up to 40 and 42 cents again, or whether it will rally up there, which I do think is most likely, but it depends on what Bitcoin does. All right, if Bitcoin is able to stay relatively strong, if Bitcoin is able to hold this level around 35,000 as support, then Cardano will eventually, or then Bitcoin will eventually turn bullish again, and Cardano will follow. So I do think that's most likely. All right, unless Bitcoin becomes very bearish all of a sudden, I think that's the most likely scenario. But before something like that happens, I do think a consolidation is next. All right, so those are my thoughts on Cardano now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I think I said everything I wanted to say. I mean, when it's moving, it's a bit more easy. It's a bit more easy to analyze. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in my premium or signal group, there will be links down in the description. There you can read more about that if you want to. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.